Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Saini. Jamaica Food and Drink Festival JFDF organizers catered to the foodies last night at the launch for the 4th annual Jamaica Food and Drink Festival held at the University of Technology in Kingston. From October 20 to 28, Kingston's vibrant culinary energy is ignited as Jamaica's most talented chefs and masters offer the best in delicious local and international cuisine, and wine and spirit experts offer the best in savory flavors. Festival director Alicia Bogues gave an outline of what to expect at this year's staging.
Well, this year, we kick off with Pork Palooza on Saturday, October 20th, and then now the following day, which is Sunday, October 21, we actually have a wine event called Divine. So that's up in Woodford in the hills. It's going to be absolutely breathtaking. And then we take a break, but we will have seminars and workshops, which actually begin next week. And then Wednesday, the following Wednesday, which is the 24th, we actually have Chopsticks, which was a big hit last year. We introduced Chopsticks, and it was a flair of all foods Asian with a Jamaican twist. And then we have Thursday, which is Chris, which is going to go to a new venue this year, downtown at the Festival Marketplace. So that's going to be really exciting. We're going to have live music and live bands. And then Friday is Picante, where we spice things up, you know, all things zesty. Saturday is Meat Street, so we take over the downtown waterfront. And then Sunday we close out with our final event with the Rousseau Sisters. It's a brunch, it's a very high-end exclusive. And then, of course, Pan 2018 Grand Final, Sunday, October 28th at Stadium.
Minister of Culture Olivia Babsy-Grange noted that the Jamaica Food and Drink Festival enhances the development of Kingston as a creative city.
Kingston is the heartbeat and pulse of Jamaica. Kingston is exciting, and what's happening now is even going to be more exciting. We have several festivals in Kingston, and the Food and Drink Festival is one such brand that is further enhancing the city of Kingston.
Part proceeds of the Jamaica Food and Drink Festival will benefit the University of Technology School of Hospitality and Tourism Management Hotel Facility as a part of JFDF's vision to build Kingston as the culinary capital of the Caribbean. Rising singing sensation Naomi Cowan is making strides in music and in the world of fashion. Her newest single, Paradise Plum, produced by Teflon Zinfence, will be used as a theme song for the UK-based resort line Coco Nautical. Coco Nautical will be distributed by several retailers, including popular global brand Topshop's flagship store in London, which means the music will be featured across multiple platforms. E-Prime ran into Naomi last night at the launch of the Jamaica Food and Drink Festival, where she gave an update on the success of the single.
Musically, you know, I'm just very grateful. Paradise Plum, actually this week, I found out that it was #1 on a chart called the Foundation Reggae Charts. So it's a South Florida and New York based reggae chart that's been around for like 30 years.
The video for Paradise Plum, directed by Kia Moses, will showcase candy-colored visuals and feature cameos by personalities in fierce fashion. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Saini. Thank you for watching.